This is my Fit STR1 custom. Start off with the front, work our way to the back. Got the Animal bar ends, ODI long neck grips, Primo samsquanch, bars with a 8.25 rise. We got the regular Fit stem, the Animal headset, the stock forks, stock front rim, it's the Alienation plain black. Then we got the Animal GL8 front and back. The frame, it's the Fit STR1. Then we got the Shadow Conspiracy half-length V2 chain. And then we got the Fit Rasta sprocket. The Fit cranks with the 48 spindle, very nice. The Animal Hamilton PC pedals, clear red. The Fit pivotal seat, it's pretty nice. Animal wedge seat post, it's got slammed. Then we got the Freecoaster back wheel. I love it, it's amazing. Let's hear it. Yeah, completely silent. And that is my bike check. Parts coming soon will be the stem. Not sure what I want yet. The forks, I want to get Odyssey S2 director forks. Rim, I'm not sure, probably the same as the back. Different hub. Might custom build it, who knows. But this is my bike check. Thanks for watching.